Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to schedule a telehealth visit on Medi-Share Online. If you don't have a Medi-Share account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website, then click on Login. Now, enter your username and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Connect with Providers. Under it is an option for Schedule a Telehealth Visit. Click on the Schedule button beside Schedule a Telehealth Visit. A pop-up message will appear informing you that you will leave the Member Center page, since you will be directed to a third-party website. It also asks if you would like to continue. To proceed, click on Yes. Now, you need to register. On the fields provided, enter your username, password, email, then select your gender. Some of the information are already provided. You could also make the following changes, if applicable. Also, select a security question and provide your answer. After that, click on the Sign Up button. Once registered, select the account for which you wish to schedule a visit. Next, select a service. If you wish to see the available services, click on See First Available. But if the recommended service already applies to you, click on Schedule a Visit. Before you proceed, make sure to read all the important information shown here. After reading, click on Continue. Now, on the field provided, state the purpose of the visit. Also, you could upload a photo of the affected area, if applicable. Otherwise, skip that uploading a photo part, then click on Continue. On this page, update your health profile and answer all the questions being asked. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. If you need a prescription, select first if it would be for pickup or delivery. Then enter the required information. Next, browse and select the healthcare provider you wish to consult. To select, click on the available time you prefer, beside the chosen provider. After that, select your preferred visit either via phone call or video call. Also, if you wish to make some changes on the saved phone number to reach you, just enter the new number you wish to use on the field provided. Then click on Continue. You also need to test your microphone and webcam to make sure that it works. Lastly, click on the tick box beside I certify that I have read the terms of MD Live Medical Group. Then click on the Book Appointment button. That's how you schedule a telehealth visit on Medi-Share Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.